Hello students, now we will continue this topic triangles and today we will start the part 11 and in this part 11 we will do some important questions on Pythagoras theorem. So look here, this question is very important and here what is this question? First we understand. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersect BC at T such that DB equal to 3CD. Prove that 2ab square equal to 2ac square plus bc square. Look here, perpendicular from A on side BC. This is BC side of triangle ABC. Okay, and intersect BC at D. In such a case that this DB is equal to 3 CD. DB equal to 3 times of CD. And we have to prove that 2ab square means this is square of this, ac square this is square, and bc square means whole this bc. Look here, first of all we write here this relation is given. So in relation we write in triangle ABC first this is given that db equal to 3cd. This is dB is this side and CD is this side. So first we write dB upon CD, and this will be 3 upon 1. So here dB we say 3 part and CD is 1 part. Okay, so we can write here this dB upon or BC. dB upon BC, we can write dB is here 3 and this is 4. So this dB is equal to 3 by 4 BC we get, and same as it is we get CD upon BC. Okay, and BC is total 4, so we can get here CD is 1 and BC is 4. So we get here CD equal to 1 by 4 BC. All understand? If you want, you can write here K, 3K, 1K, and you can write also. So this is you get here dB equal to 3 by 4 BC, and CD we get here 1 by 4 BC. Now we have a triangle ADC. In right triangle ADC and right triangle we have ADB. By Pythagoras theorem we can write here hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is AC, so we can write AC square equal to we can write here AD square, and we can write here CD square. Same as it is in this triangle, we can write here, this is first equation. Here we can write AB square equal to, we can write here AD square and plus DB square. This is equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so we get here AB square minus AC square equal to look here, AD and AD square cancel, and we have here DB square and minus CD square. All understand? From 2 we subtract 1. So AB square minus AC square, AD square minus AD square cancel, and DB square minus CD square. Now put value of dB and CD from here. So look here, we get here AB square minus AC square, and this is equal to place of dB we can write 3 by 4 BC and whole square, minus CD we can write 1 upon 4 BC whole square. So look here, AB square minus AC square we get 9 by 16 BC whole square. This will be 1 upon 16 BC whole square, and we take 16 as LCM, we get 9 BC square minus 1 BC square, and this is 8 BC square upon 16. So we can cancel 1 upon 2 we get. So AB square minus AC square we get here 1 upon 2 BC square, and now multiply by 2 we get here 2AB square and minus 2AC square equal to BC square. Now 2AC square we can transfer, so look here, we will get here 2ab square equal to 2ac square and plus bc square, and this only we have to prove in this question, so we can write here hence proof. In an equilateral triangle ABC, this ABC is a equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal, AB and BC and AC, all sides are equal. D is a point on side BC, D is a point on side BC such that BD this side is equal to 1 upon 3 BC, and we have to prove that 9 AD square, AD means this side is AD, and 7 AB square, this is AB. So we write here this solution. First we have to write here that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. So we can write here AB equal to BC equal to CA. All these three sides are equal. Now look here, first here this we draw a perpendicular. Look here, draw AM perpendicular to BC, and AM bisect BC. So we can write here that BM is equal to half of BC. Okay, and BC is equal to AB, so we can write here half of AB. Here BD is given in question. BD have BD equal to 1 upon 3 BC, and BC also we can write equal to AB, so we can write here this is also equal to AB. Now we have to find DM. So DM equal to, we can check in diagram, DM is equal to BM minus BD. Okay, and BM is 1 upon 2 AB, and BD is equal to 1 upon 3 AB. This we take LCM. LCM is 6. 2 3 ja means 3 AB, 3 2 ja means 2 AB, and this is equal to 1 upon 6 AB we get. And so we get here DM equal to 1 upon 6 AB. This is important. And here DM is important and BM is important. This is the BM. Okay, these two are important. Now we have here two triangle A and B. In right triangle A and B, and right triangle we have AMD by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem we write here in this AB square equal to AM square and plus BM square we have. And look here, in this triangle we have AD square equal to, we have AM square and plus DM square. Now look here, subtract this is 1 and 2, so subtract 2 from equation 1. So we get here AB square and minus AD square equal to AM square minus AM square is cancelled, and we have BM square and minus DM square. So we get here AB square minus AD square equal to BM, and BM we can write 1 upon 2 AB. Okay, and DM we can write 1 upon 6 AB. Now 1 upon 2 is square is 1 upon 4 AB square, and here square is 1 upon 36 AB square, and 36 we take LCM, so AB square minus AD square we take 36 as LCM. 4 9 are 36, and here 36 1 are 36, so we have here 8 upon 36 AB square. Now AB square we transfer in left hand side, so we get minus 8 upon 36 AB square, and this AD we transfer to right hand side, we get AD square, and again we take LCM. LCM is 36, so 36 AB square minus 8 AB square, and this is equal to AD square. So 8 we subtract from here, we get here 28 AB square upon 36 equal to AD square, and 28, and these we can cut by 4 7 ja 28 and 4 9 ja, We cross multiply, we get here 7ab square equal to 9ad square. And look here, this only we have to prove in question, that 9ad square equal to 7ab square. So this hence proof we can write. All of you understand this? This is a very important question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. So look here given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Means we can write here AB equal to BC equal to CA, and we draw here AM perpendicular to BC. So and this bisect BC also, so we can write BM equal to half of BC, and BC is equal to AB. Okay. Now we take this triangle A and B. In a right triangle A and B, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write here hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is here AB, so we can write AB square equal to AM square and plus BM square. Now look here, AB square and BM square we transfer to left hand side equal to AM square, and place of BM we can write here half of AB, and this is equal to AM square. This is AB square minus 1 upon 4 AB square, and this is equal to AM square, and we take LCM, we get here 4 AB square minus AB square upon 4 equal to AM square. This will be equal to 3ab square upon 4 equal to am square. 3ab square equal to 4am square, and this only we have to prove here. You can check here that 3 times the square of one side is here ab, is equal to 4 times the square of its altitude. So this only we have to prove here. So hence prove this. Thank you and a nice day.